and after being left in the water, drop it on a soft land, hard land, on gravel and multiple times on concrete. I can show you the result. And probably, as you can see, it's coming with a few scratches on the corners. So it's got a few scratches on these left corners. Also on the top, just small minor scratches. Also on the other corner, a few small dents, as you can see. And also on this camera module, a few dents right here on this left corner. A part of that looks exactly the same. No scratches at all on the back except these corners. And now depends how they drop on the corners, but pretty much looks quite well. The front screen was very well protected, and I did test it with the screen protector on and without the screen protector, and I can see that the corners have some small dents, as you can see right here. A few small dents on this side, also on this side, but the main screen was not affected and doesn't came with any scratches at all. And problem would be now if this Cubot KingKong 5 Pro did survive to all these drops, and the answer is yes, it did survive and no problems with the screen. Also is working perfectly. If you're asking about the camera, let's have a look, because we have some dents on that camera module, but didn't affect the camera at all. And as you can see, it's working perfectly, no problems at all. Also, if you're asking about the fingerprint scanner, well, it's working also, so no problems. Also the Face ID was not affected, and everything is working as it should be. So this Cubot KingKong 5 Pro did survive to all my tests, and I hope you make an opinion about this rugged smartphone. And if so, you can give it a like to this video, share and subscribe for even more videos. Also, I'm gonna leave a few links on this video description to find out more about Cubot KingKong 5 Pro, and also to find out the price. And being said, thank you for watching this video, and till next time, all the best.